have a surface idea about the secretions of endocrine glands, that is hormones. Let us talk about some important properties of hormones. Let us introduce hormones. First important thing about the hormones is that hormones are produced by the body, and these hormones are actually chemical substances. Hormones are chemical substances. They are often referred to as chemical messengers. Hormones are chemicals that are produced principally from endocrine glands. They are often referred to as chemical messengers. And these hormones bring about various developmental, behavioral and physiological effects upon the cells of the body. Second important thing to be remembered about hormones is that every hormone basically has a low molecular weight. Hormones are low molecular weight substances. In contrast to the enzymes. Enzymes are high molecular weight substances. Hormones are low molecular weight substances. Third important thing about the hormones is that hormones release no energy. Hormones, if they are oxidized within the body but they are not energy giving substances, they release no energy within the body. Besides that, hormones have no cumulative effect. They have no cumulative effect. By cumulative effect, we mean they don't get deposited inside the body, they don't form structural components of the body, they are not accumulated within the body. They don't take part in the building as a building material within the body. Next thing about hormones. Next important thing about the hormones is that hormones, whenever produced, are produced in very small amounts. Whenever hormones are produced inside the body, they are produced in very small amounts. Fifth important thing about the hormones is that, fifth important character about the hormones is that the hormones are very much indispensable for the body. But if a hormone is secreted in increased amounts, that is also harmful for the body. So the hyposecretion of hormones results in the form of disorders. The hypersecretion of the hormones once again results in the form of disorders. Hormones should be secreted in finite amounts. If they are secreted in increased amounts, they result in disorders called in increased amounts they result in disorders, and if they are secreted in decreased amounts, they result in disorders. Now, depending upon their action, hormones are of two kinds. First type of hormones are called as tropic hormones. Second kind of hormones are called as non-tropic hormones. Tropic hormones are those hormones that by themselves do not affect the body cells, but instead bring about the secretion of another hormone. While as non-tropic hormones are those hormones that directly influence the body cells. For example, if we compare two hormones secreted from the pituitary gland. First hormone is follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone secreted from the anterior pituitary gland. This hormone actually doesn't directly affect the cells. This hormone brings about the secretion of another hormone, principally from the ovaries. That hormone is called estrogen. And it is then estrogen which acts upon the cells of the body. So we should say follicle stimulating hormone is a tropic hormone, because it by itself directly doesn't have any effect upon the cells of the body, but instead brings about the secretion of another hormone, and it is then that hormone which affects the cells of the body. In contrast to this, another hormone comes from the pituitary gland, that is growth hormone. Growth hormone directly influences the cells of the body. So, follicle stimulating hormone is a tropic hormone, growth hormone is a non-tropic hormone. And by chemistry, hormones can be amino acids in nature, they can be small proteins, they can be steroid substances, they can be derivatives of fatty acids. So their chemical nature varies. In addition to that, most of the hormones are secreted as in the inactive form. For example, take the case of insulin. Insulin is secreted in the form of in an inactive form. That inactive form is called as proinsulin, and it is then proinsulin which is activated within the cells of the body into insulin, and insulin that then acts upon the cells of the body. But once again, because we are talking about the endocrine system, first of all, I have introduced the secretions of endocrine glands. These are called hormones, and I am introducing hormones before you. Godnuk character cha hormonal hund ye ki hormones cha hamesha asan chemical substances, yiman cha aksar is wanan chemical messengers, because yim cha cellon nish niman ak information, ak message, that message in the language of chemistry, and as a result of that message the cell brings about a particular activity. Yus tika effect hormones cellon pet paida ch karan, suchun hormonen hund effect asan ke tim effects hekan, these are the effects of cells. मतलब कहाँ टी काम यस हार्मोन चे करनावन स काम करने सलाहियत चे सेलन मंज बोंठी प्रेजेंट आसान. Hormones क्या चे करन actually यम चे निवान information to that cell in the language of chemistry in order to bring about that change. So hormones are actually chemical messengers. Hormones have a low molecular weight. Hormones themselves body must secrete gasan. Excessive hormones are either excreted or they are oxidized. Magar these oxidation switchan koi energy nera. Besides that, hormones chana body must structural role play karan ke yim hekan body must store gesit ke. So this body must gasan consistent secretion of hormones maintain gatsi. Back character cha hormone hundi ke hormones cha ekis normal body man secrete gasan magar variya kam miqdaras man. Back important feature cha hormone hundi ke agar hormone hyposecretion guys such gasan result in the form of disorders. Agar ka hormone over secrete guys, hyper secrete guys, zyada secrete guys, tan se ti body man disorder paid gasan. Back important character chu ke अक्सर हार्मोन्स हेको कस क्लासिफाई करित दोन किस्मन मज. नंबर सेकंड आर ट्रॉपिक हार्मोन्स, नंबर फर्स्ट आर ट्रॉपिक हार्मोन्स, नंबर सेकंड आर नॉन ट्रॉपिक हार्मोन्स. ट्रॉपिक हार्मोन्स गई तिम यम न पान सेलन पे इफेक्ट कहीं त्रावन, बल्कि तिम करनावन ब्रिंग अबाउट सेक्रीशन ऑफ अनदर हार्मोन, एंड इट इज देन दैट हार्मोन व्हिच प्रोड्यूसेस अ पर्टिकुलर इफेक्ट अपॉन द सेल्स. Whereas non-tropic hormone goes to hormone used directly cellon पे act करे. ब्याह चीज वो शायद कि वारिया हार्मोन से secrete गसान in their inactive form. For example, insulin से secrete गसान in the form of proinsulin. And biochemistry hormone है कैसे थे amino acid, ये कैसे protein, ये कैसे steroid substance, ये कैसे fatty acid derivative, etc. Now, let us talk about the principal endocrine glands of the body. Principal endocrine glands present in human body. Let us introduce principal endocrine glands. For example, if I consider this is human body, इंसान से बॉडी में क्या fundamental endocrine glands present. Number first endocrine gland chu diencephalonus pet kene asan ak lokut mokut gland, at gland as chase mana pineal gland. Number second gland chu diencephalonus talakine located, at talakine kis gland as chase mana pituitary gland. Both pituitary gland as well as pineal gland, they are located within the cranium. They are associated within the parts of the brain. And but pituitary gland arise gasan actually IQ neurosecretory part pet brain ki IQ hisse pet diencephalon ki psyche pet tach is one hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is actually a nerve center, magar ati endocrine functions. And pata sa gubur larynxus pekten a bilobed gland present, a bilobed gland is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is yet another endocrine gland present in the body. Thyroid gland is pekten ya tzor lakit makit gland sasan yemen tzoran lakten glandan chase manan parathyroid glands. Parathyroid glands. And but you justice mans asan ak lymphoid organ. That lymphoid organ has endocrine function. It is a deciduous endocrine gland, and this endocrine gland is called thymus. Then we can regard pancreas is a heterocrine gland and can be well treated as a member of endocrine glands. Kidney package pyriform gland sasan yemen pyriform gland and chesmana adrenal glands. Adrenal glands. And pachi female mans asan ovaries, male mans asan testes. Ovaries the testes yemen is yagja keret one of gonads, and gonads are another set of endocrine glands. So these are chief endocrine glands present in the body. Let us have a quick revision. Number first is pineal gland, then is hypothalamus, then is pituitary gland, parathyroid and thyroid located in the throat region, chestus shasan thymus gland, kidney and pectin shasan adrenals ya suprarenals, and pathasachi pancreas is an endocrine gland, then gonads. By gonads we mean ovaries in case of female and testes in case of male. Now, let us start our discussion with the principal, actually supermaster of endocrine system, supermaster gland, supermaster of endocrine system, the chief controlling organ of endocrine system. This is hypothalamus. So let us talk about hypothalamus. Very first entity in endocrine system, let us talk about hypothalamus. First thing about the hypothalamus is that hypothalamus is actually a nerve center. We cannot regard it as a gland because gland chasan banyamut epithelial tissue yelzan hypothalamus to nerve center. It is part and parcel of the brain. Doim kachi ki hypothalamus has placed at the base of the diencephalon. Now, from your knowledge of the nervous system, तो अच्छा बेटा पता है कि diencephalon has four brain part. The diencephalon is box-like structure and kis chimana hypothalamus and kis side and chimana thalami and kis chatas chimana epithalamus. The hypothalamus chu diencephalon floor bana. Train का hypothalamus मुक्ति की hypothalamus एक important nerve center. You should varihan activity and center within the brain. For example, hypothalamus is a thermostat. Thermostat means it is the part of the brain that regulates body temperature. Hypothalamus is the nerve center for thirst. Hypothalamus is the nerve center for hunger. Hypothalamus is the nerve center for rage or anger. Hypothalamus is the nerve center for satiety. Hypothalamus is the nerve center for emotion, so and so. It performs several nervous functions. Besides that, hypothalamus is neurosecretory also in function. Hypothalamus has such a neurosecretory. It consists of specialized neurons that are capable of making secretion. Now, hypothalamus even neurons are apolar neurons. Timan apolar neuron often is nuclei. Hypothalamus even neuron and banyomuchu. Timan neuron nerve fibers present asan ke. Timan chase aksar bana nuclei. Human nuclei pat zikasam supraoptic nuclei, paraventricular nuclei. The hypothalamus is a specialized neuron and banyom. Acha gubar. Acha pata ki pituitary gland is regarded as master gland because it controls all the endocrine functions of the endocrine glands. Magar pituitary gland internal control kara hypothalamus. So the principal function of hypothalamus is that it controls the activities of pituitary gland. It controls the secretions of pituitary gland. Because it controls the secretion of pituitary gland, it is regarded as the supermaster of endocrine system. If pituitary gland is regarded as master gland, hypothalamus is regarded as supermaster, or it is regarded as headmaster. But you cannot regard hypothalamus as a gland, principally because there is a technical difference between the glands and hypothalamus. That principal difference is that hypothalamus is not made up of epithelial tissue, it is a nerve center. Beaka katha is hypothalamus mutlik yaad ki hypothalamus pethay chu suspended. If I consider this is hypothalamus, hypothalamus is chu attached. Stalk-like structure of stalkus chase mana hypophyseal stalk. Hypophyseal stalk. Hypophyseal stalkus chu bunimir taraf asan avezan. Look, the smallest endocrine gland of the human body, which is called as pituitary gland. That means myane manuk matlab chu pituitary gland is actually associated and suspended from the hypothalamus. So, nom ke important katha chi aise hypothalamus mutlik yaad thawni. Godnich important kachi ke hypothalamus chu basically a nerve center. Doim kachi ki it is part and parcel of diencephalon. Diencephalon in turn is part and parcel of forebrain. Hypothalamus chu various nervous functions karan muscular. You should thermostat of the body. You should center for thirst, hunger, pain, rage, satiety, emotions, etc. Hypothalamus chu spatial neurosecretory cell hun banyomuti manisvananchi nuclei. Nuclei are actually specialized neurons that are apolar, that lack nerve fibers. The nuclei are tim specialized neurons. Yim nervous functions dishi karan, secretory functions dishi karan. The don qisman hin nuclei are hypothalamus man zivan labne. Number first of them called para-optic nuclei. Number second of them called supra-optic nuclei. Number second of them called paraventricular nuclei. Hypothalamus structure attached to hypophyseal stalk. The hypophyseal stalk is suspended pituitary gland. Hypothalamus chu control karan secretions of pituitary gland. You should don qisman hind hormone actually secrete karan. Akchi kya tropic hormone secrete karan. Timan tropic hormone chu. Let us talk about that. So this much was about the introduction of hypothalamus. Now let us talk about the endocrine functions of hypothalamus. Beta hypothalamus manav is yasachu don qisman hin hormone secrete karan. Number first type of hormone secreted from the hypothalamus are tropic hormones. As for moon ki tropic hormone go so hormone yus pan सेलन पे असर त्रायने के बल्कि ये करना है स्टार्ट या बंद करना है कुछ हार्मोनिक सेक्रेशन. नंबर दोइमी किस्मिक हार्मोन्स यम हाइपोथैलेमस पे सेक्रेट छ गसान. These hormones are non-tropic hormones. Non-tropic hormones yim zan directly सेलन पे असर छ त्रावन. Now let us first of all talk about the tropic hormones secreted from hypothalamus. Yim tropic hormones hypothalamus pe secrete ch gasan timan ch godnekti zikasam. Number first type of tropic hormones are called as regulatory factors. Godnek qism yos tropic hormone hun chu timan manawais regulatory factors. Doim qism yos tropic hormone hun chu timan manawais inhibitory factors. Beta through its tropic hormones hypothalamus actually controls the secretions of pituitary gland. Don qisman hin tropic hormones che secrete karan hypothalamus. Number first are regulatory factors, number second are inhibitory factors. Once hypothalamus produces a particular kind of regulatory factor, so regulatory factor che pituitary gland pe particular hormone secrete karna. Yeli hypothalamus can secrete inhibitory factor. Tami inhibitory factor se, tami hormone se gaise pituitary gland पेट अके खास हार्मोन सेक्रीशन बात मसलन हाइपोथैलेमस गोडनेथी सेक्रीट करान ग्रोथ हार्मोन रेगुलेटरी फैक्टर ग्रोथ हार्मोन रेगुलेटरी फैक्टर ये साथ हाइपोथैलेमस सेक्रीट करे अम किस रेस्पॉन्सस मं द्राय पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड ग्रोथ हार्मोन अत बरक्स अगर हाइपोथैलेमस सेक्रीट को ग्रोथ हार्मोन इनहिबिटरी फैक्टर ये इनहिबिटरी फैक्टर ये साथ ये सेक्रीट गए तम साथ कर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड ग्रोथ हार्मोन सेक्रीशन बंद इथे पे फॉर एग्जांपल गोनाडोट्रोपिक हार्मोन हाइपोथैलेमस पे सेक्रीट गसान मसलन हाइपोथैलेमस सेक्रीट करान फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन रिलीज फैक्टर ये साथ हाइपोथैलेमस फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन रिलीज फैक्टर सेक्रीट कर एंड किस रेस्पॉन्सस मं कर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड सेक्रीट फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन अत अपोजिट अगर हाइपोथैलेमस पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड पे फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन सेक्रीशन बंद करना इट विल सेक्रीट फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन इनहिबिटरी फैक्टर and किस responses मं गैसे follicle stimulating hormone secretion band. So release factor के particular hormone secretion bring about करनावन from pituitary gland. Inhibitory factor तमे particular hormone secretion बंद करनावन from the pituitary gland. इधर पर for example बेटा hypothalamus secrete करान luteinizing hormone release factor. At opposite करिए secrete luteinizing hormone inhibitory factor. These two hormones will regulate the secretion of luteinizing hormone from the pituitary gland. Likewise, hypothalamus secrete karan adrenocorticotropic hormone release factor. And किस responses मं कर pituitary gland secrete adrenocorticotropic hormone. At opposite ये हाइपोथैलेमस सेक्रीट कर एड्रेनोकॉर्टिकोट्रोपिक हार्मोन इनहिबिटरी फैक्टर एड्रेनोकॉर्टिकोट्रोपिक हार्मोन सेक्रीशन गैस पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड पे बात इधर पर हाइपोथैलेमस सेक्रीट करन थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन रिलीज फैक्टर तम किस रेस्पॉन्सस मं कर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन सेक्रीट अगर हाइपोथैलेमस को सेक्रीट थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन इनहिबिटरी फैक्टर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड के थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन सेक्रीशन बंद इधर पर रिलीज फैक्टर मसलन मेलानोसाइट सेल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन रिलीज फैक्टर एंड मेलानोसाइट सेल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन इनहिबिटरी फैक्टर इधर पर हाइपोथैलेमस सेक्रीट करा फॉर एग्जांपल लैक्टोट्रोपिक हार्मोन रिलीज फैक्टर एंड लैक्टोट्रोपिक हार्मोन इनहिबिटरी फैक्टर सो once again first chunk of hormones that comes from the hypothalamus, these are tropic hormones. They by themselves do not have any effects upon the cells of the body. मगर in turn छितिम pituitary gland के हार्मोनन ही secretion control करा. यमन tropic हार्मोनन यम hypothalamus पेट यवान छि यमन छि further ज़िक़िस्म regulatory factors and inhibitory factors. Regulatory factors का नामन bring about a particular hormone secretion from pituitary gland. Inhibitory factors का नामन band a particular hormone secretion from pituitary gland. Now let us talk about second chunk of hormones that comes about out of the hypothalamus. These are regarded as non-tropic hormones. They are direct hormones. They produce direct effects upon the cells. बेटा एक्चुअली से ये कथ थवन याद कि यम नॉन ट्रॉपिक हार्मोन्स हाइपोथैलेमस पे सेक्रीट छ गसान तिम छ डायरेक्टली हाइपोथैलेमस पे नेबर नेरान के यम नॉन ट्रॉपिक हार्मोन्स छ थ्रू हाइपोफाइसियल पोर्टल ब्लड वेसल वातान टू द पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी through this blood vessel वातान यम टू द पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी पात कर posterior pituitary gland यमन secrete. So hypothalamus यम non-tropic hormones हसा छ never nearan through posterior pituitary gland. मगर posterior pituitary gland छ यम पनिन हार्मोन के these are actually produced from hypothalamus. Now these hormones, there are two important types of these hormones that are secreted from hypothalamus that directly have the what we call it as effects upon the cells of the body. Number first hormone is called as oxytocin. Oxytocin. Oxytocin hormone is also called as pitocin. Yus hasa gobar ye oxytocin hormone chu ye chu variyah function kara. Maslan oxytocin hormones che ak effect ye ki it causes powerful uterine contractions and such uterine contractions gasan yeman is wanan che Braxton Hicks contraction that are so important for childbirth. Oxytocin hormone che uterine cramps te karan par. Oxytocin hormone che byak na wanan milk let down hormone te. Yus hasa gobar ye oxytocin hormone che it is responsible for the ejection of milk. Doim hormone yus non-propic hormone hypothalamus pet yivan chu, that is also called as vasopressin. You can call that hormone as vasopressin, or you can call that hormone as antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone, this comes actually out of the hypothalamus, then is released into the bloodstream from posterior pituitary gland. Beta, antidiuretic hormone, as is evident from the name, it prevents diuresis. Diuresis means ज़्यादा पेशाब बनून चुन ये फेवर करन क्या. In other words, you should promote करन water uptake from the nephrons. You should water absorption करना वन increase. You should water reabsorption from nephrons करना वन increase, so that the urine becomes concentrated. Hypothalamus should actually antidiuretic hormone travan. तम साथ यम साथ बॉडी मज वाटर कंसंट्रेशन गस कम तो एंटीडायूरेटिक हार्मोन से डायूरेसिस प्रिवेंट गसान वाटर अपटेक च इंक्रीज गसान. तो बिसाइड्स दैट थोस अख कथ याद कि एंटीडायूरेटिक हार्मोन च डेफिशिएंसी से अख पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ डिसऑर्डर गसान. दैट पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ डिसऑर्डर इज कॉल्ड एज डायबिटीज insipidus. So these two hormones are non-propic hormones, they come out of the hypothalamus. So with these words we were talking about the number first endocrine entity of the human body, hypothalamus. We'll be tomorrow talking about, in next lecture we will be talking about pituitary gland. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.